The Congress has postponed discussions on the long-awaited Karnataka Cabinet expansion by another day or two. The decision came after Chief Minister D.K. Shivkumar, former Chief Minister Siddaramaiah, Karnataka Congress President V.K. Hariprasad and other state leaders met Rahul Gandhi, K.C. Venugopal and Daldeep Singh Surjewala in New Delhi. Speaking after the meeting, Hariprasad said only preliminary discussions were held. He said further talks had been deferred because Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge was unavailable and that the party leadership would inform them when the next meeting is scheduled. Meanwhile, AICC General Secretary Daldeep Singh Surjewala said there are 20 vacancies in the Karnataka Cabinet. He also pointed out that the Speaker's post remains vacant. The delay means a final decision on cabinet expansion is expected only after the Congress leadership holds another round of discussions in the coming days.